Now, there were two men who both decided one day that to build themselves a house, but each a different way. The first man was wise and built on rocky ground, but the second man was foolish and built on the sand. Thought the first, it needs to be strong, secure and true, with a firm foundation that will see me through. Something I can depend on, that's what I need. And he set out to plan it with the greatest care indeed. The foolish man thought, I don't need that boring stuff. As long as it looks nice, it's bound to be enough. I shall make it stunning, I shall make it fine, with the latest trends in interior design. So each in their own way they both began. One without a clue, but one with a plan. Slow and steady is a way to build, my friend. It may take longer, but you'll get there in the end. Don't waste your time doing things a boring way. Take your life easy and have fun all day. The first took the sand, the cement and the mortar, and he mixed them up with the right amount of water. He dug foundations deep in the ground and took the greatest care to make sure they were sound. The foolish man thought, I can't be bothered with that lark. I'll take a few shortcuts, be done before dark. So he worked really quickly, though not quite so well, and wasn't too careful, as I'm sure you can tell. Slow and steady is a way to build, my friend. It may take longer, but you'll get there in the end. Don't waste your time doing things a boring way. Take your life easy and have fun all day. Before very long, the foolish man was through, and he put his feet up. Now I've got nothing to do. Oh, it's a life of pleasure for me from now on. Meanwhile, the wise man plodded slowly on. He placed every brick and put down every block, while the foolish man would shout and mock. Whoa, slow coach! Fancy building over there on rocky land. It's so much nicer over here on the sand. He took life easy, had parties every day, while the wise man plodded on in his own slow way. Slow and steady is a way to build, my friend. It may take longer, but you'll get there in the end. Don't waste your time doing things a boring way. Take your life easy and have fun all day. At last, the wise man finished and came to a stop. But as he did, he felt the first drop. First the sky turned dark, then the thunder roared. The air turned cold, and the rain, well, it poured. The wind came howling, lightning filled the sky, while the wise man sat inside, all cozy and dry. Meanwhile, the foolish man, he fought and he fought against a terrible squall. But before very long, his house began to fall. As the rain came pouring, the roof started leaking, the walls started shaking, and the ground began creaking. Until crash! My lovely house! Down it went tumbling, smashed to pieces on the ground, while the wise man was at home, safe and sound. And so the moral of the tale, as I'm sure you can tell, is if something's worth doing, it's worth doing well. So here is a rule. It's one you can't knock. If you're gonna build your house upon the rock. If you're gonna build your house upon the rock. If you're gonna build your house upon the rock.